lambikin. Did you know what to do? Goodness, I am so excited. And let me tell you.
You just have to pour the sprinkles and I can always give you more too.
But more. And everyone, what's the mystery? Well, if you look around here.
Hello everybody, and I need Mary here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a Looney Tunes something like that out of Lego. It's called, it got in February 1st of 2022, and we got is the Looney Tunes. I'm going to show you this, guys. There he is. This is the Looney Tunes in 2022 set. This over February 1st got in, and the February 2nd we just got in here. So I'm going to show you for this for you guys, ladies. So I'm going to show you guys the YouTubers. So there's this one right there. There's for the one guy right there. And we got a Roadrunner. And we got his bird right there. This is bird right there that's called the Roadrunner, and it's a coyote. They are both of them in 2022 sets of February 1st. So I'm going to show you how to build them. It's going to be on this thing to show you how to build it. So if you guys please subscribe to my channel, I need a 90K, and you guys enjoyed this video about it.